She's only made one in the 21 years since as a favor to a friend who spent that ill-fated day with Dewey in the ICU while Mom fought with Karen. Have you ever been to a wedding? And if so, what did you think of it? Please let us know. The cake is the only thing I'm concerned with. Am I the jerk for losing it when my husband used my brother's surgery money to buy his dad a car? I, female 25, have been married to my husband, male 27, for 2 years. My mom passed recently, and I let my brother, who's 16, move in with us. I'm taking care of everything for him. His education, his health, everything. He has a chronic respiratory disease, and he already has a savings account because my mom was saving up for his surgery in 2021. I moved the money into our account for several reasons, including issues from the bank itself. Ever since I began working, I started contributing as well. My husband knows well that that money isn't for us just because it's in our account. I repeatedly told him that he cannot make any purchases nor move that money without talking to me to make sure we don't touch the money that belongs to my brother. I just found out 2 days ago that my husband bought his dad a car that cost nearly $13,000. I was confused. I only heard this from his parents. We only had about $6,000 in our account aside from my brother's money. I got home and I asked him where he got the money. First, he said he'd talk about it in the morning because he was too tired to argue with me. My patience was running out. I asked him again, and he told me he used some of my brother's money to pay for the car. I was stunned. He started making excuses about how his dad needed it, and how much he was struggling, and no one was willing to help. He said he didn't want to buy a cheap car, so he won't have to suffer and take it to the shop every other day. I lost it and yelled at him, and told him that this money was for my brother that my mom saved for his condition. He said he knew and didn't have a choice, said that he didn't want to tell me because of my reaction, and that he borrowed some of the money and will find a way to pay it back soon. We got into a huge argument that lasted for 2 hours. I called his mom and told her about the car my father-in-law got, that he used my brother's money without even telling me. He lashed out at me after his mom found out, and he got into an argument with his parents. He said that I shouldn't get them involved, and I should have taken his word instead of freaking out and yelling at him. I couldn't take it. I took my brother and just went to stay with my aunt. He never stopped calling and apologizing, calling himself stupid, and just wanting to help his dad. I haven't replied to his texts, and my aunt said that I shouldn't have yelled at him, and instead sat down for a conversation. He keeps saying he'll pay the money back, but I know he can't. Well, who do you agree with? OP or her husband? Please let us know. If you ever touch my money, I'll make that head of yours like a balloon. I need your long essay on a single page. Yes, ma'am. When I was a college sophomore, we had this professor, Mrs. Wang, in religion studies, who would act like her subject should be our top priority. Although we came from different majors, religion studies is just a filler subject needed for students in this Catholic college. She wanted us to come to every meeting because attendance is a part of her grade, which was fine by me. But she would give us too many research assignments for so little time. This class is a Tuesday through Thursday one. So if she gives us 3 research assignments on Tuesday, the outputs are expected to be submitted on Thursday same week. This started a problem on all of us, since we also have a lot of things to do from major subjects. But it would be a hassle to fail a subject like this. Retaking a major subject is acceptable. Retaking a filler subject is annoying. One Tuesday, she gave us an assignment, a 4,000-word essay to be submitted on Thursday. 4,000 is a lot for us given the time frame. And that week was the week before midterms, so it gave us a hard time. But the catch, she wanted it on a single sheet of short bond paper, which is literally impossible to fit the 4,000-word essay. A classmate of mine, Nathan, asked Mrs. Wang about the single-page thing. Nathan asked if we could submit multiple pages of the essay to accommodate the 4,000-word essay she was asking us. You are all stubborn. 4,000-word essay is a single page. That's simple. Mrs. Wang was already in her early 60s at that time, so I don't think she had an idea of what a compressed 4,000 word in a single page would look like when printed. In every subject, we have a Facebook group for announcements, discussions between classmates, and note sharing. In some subjects, the teacher was usually the admin of the group, but since Mrs. Wang is not too fond of Facebook, one of our classmates volunteered to create a group for us. The night before the submission, we were having a problem with our outputs. Some classmates who were done with the essay tried to print their outputs. The font was too small, even though the margin was already adjusted. Here comes the malicious compliance. Nathan, who was still a little upset about the whole situation, posted a status on our group. Let's give her what she wants. 4,000 words in a single page. The comments were blowing up. Some comments